In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reply to and forward emails. Working with email is something most of us do every day, and knowing the difference between replying to everyone, and forwarding can help you communicate clearly and avoid sending messages to the wrong people. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how each option works and when to use it. First, open the email you want to respond to. Once the message is open, look near the top of the email window. You'll usually see a few common options there, including reply, reply all, and forward. These buttons may be grouped together in a toolbar or menu, depending on the email app you're using, but the basic function is the same. If you choose reply, your response will go only to the original sender of the email. This is the best option when your message is meant for just that one person. It helps keep the conversation focused and prevents unnecessary notifications for others who may have been included in the original message. If you choose reply all, your response will be sent to everyone who received the original email. This includes the sender and any other recipients who were part of the conversation. Use this carefully. It's useful when everyone needs to see your response, but if your message is only relevant to one person, it's usually better to use reply instead. If you choose forward, you can send the email to someone else who was not originally included. This is helpful if you need to share information, pass along instructions, or ask another person to review the message. After selecting forward, you'll need to enter the new recipient before sending it. Once you've selected the option you want, type your message in the response area. Keep your message clear and direct so the recipient understands exactly what you mean. If you're replying in a work or formal setting, it's also a good idea to quickly review your tone and wording before sending. When your message is ready, click Send. That will deliver your reply or forwarded message. To make this even faster, you can use keyboard shortcuts. Press Ctrl+R to reply to the email, or press Ctrl+ to forward it. These shortcuts can save time, especially if you handle a lot of messages throughout the day. That's it. Once you understand these three options, managing email responses becomes much easier and more efficient.